Okay. Hi, Joe.
How's it going?
It's good.
So today we're going to show you how to propagate palm seeds the fast and easy way if you have to mass plant them like we do. So first of all, we're going to sow 5 of these trays with palm seed. And the way to determine how much mixture you're going to need is fill up 5 of these trays and dump them into a wheelbarrow. And the medium we're using today is sunshine mix. Extremely dry, so it takes a lot of water to water it down. So this is tray number 5.
Home Depot.
This is tray number 5.
Okay.
And then take the lump. Just make sure they're perforated. I had to pop holes in these ones. These ones are perforated. So we got 5 of those. And then what we're going to do, we're going to water this down because it's really dry, and then mix it in really well. And then we're going to fill the seed flats back up with this stuff because we know exactly how much we have here now. We have. So now I think we've got enough moisture in this medium here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take these wagnerianus seeds and we're going to mix them. Sometimes the odd one goes onto the ground and then they grow. This is the way we grow palms.
Are you kidding that?
I wear rubber gloves because the peat moss really dries out your hands.
Oh. Isn't that pretty? Blue. They look like a deep.
They look like blueberries.
They sort of do, or salal berries.
So these are locally harvested seed. There we go. See how much is in there? Then we'll go like this. And you mix it all through. That's a lot of seed in there. You can see it all through the mix now, eh?
Oh yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Beautiful.
Then we'll take another one here. Interested in wagnerianus seeds? Yes, we are in the seed business. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now you get the idea. It's mixed through that growing medium evenly.
Oh, the
now
sun's coming out.
Wire in there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take our seed tray, and there's number 1. Also get some labels and label and put the date on them too. The species of palm you're growing, and that's how you sow palm seeds like that.
Hold that up. I'll take
just like
Salt Spring Aloha A sticker, Banana Joe's Palm Nursery, exotic palms, eucalyptus, bay trees, tikis, and soon to have dracaenas.